we are going to look at how to solve exponential equations using logs. So here I can see I've got 6 to the power of 9x plus 48 equals 216. My x is way up here in the exponent, which makes it really difficult to isolate. So I'm going to use logs to rearrange this. Recall we can name the parts of our exponential equation. Our 6 is our base. This expression up here, 9x plus 48, is my power. Even though it's a whole expression, it's still just my power, and 216 is the answer. When I rewrite it in log form, I should rewrite it in the letter order BAP. So B, so my base is 6, my answer, 216, equals 9x plus 48. It's really good to check whenever you get a log, can you actually answer it? Now, of course, I can't do this on my calculator because it's not base 10, but let's think 6 to the power of 3 is actually 216. So I'm going to change this log side to be 3 equals 9x plus 48. Now I can just solve this like a typical linear equation. Box my variable. Now I'm going to get rid of this plus 48 first by doing minus 48 on both sides. And that gives me negative 45 equals 9x. We know that there's a times between the 9 and the x, so I'm going to divide by 9 on both sides. And that gives me negative 5 is equal to x. Let's have a look at another example. Okay, I'm going to start by labeling this expression. I can see I've got 1.5 to the power of x is equal to 20. This times 4 is just sitting out the front. It's not actually related to the exponential equation. So first of all, I'm just going to get rid of that times 4, in fact, before I label everything. So times 4, I'm going to divide by 4 on both sides to undo that. So I get left with 1.5 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now I'm going to label my equation. So 1.5 is my base, x is the power, and 5 is my answer. And then I can rewrite this in log form. Log base 1.5 of answer 5 is equal to x. Now I've got my x by itself, which is really good. Now, you can't just solve probably mentally 1.5 log base 1.5 of 5. So I'm going to use my change of base rule to solve this log. So we can rewrite this as log base 10 of the big number 5 over log base 10 of that little number, the subscript 1.5. And when I put that into my calculator, I get 3.97. So therefore, x equals 3.97. So this one was a little bit trickier, but to recap, we just got rid of the 4 on both sides. Then we labeled and rewrote into log form right here. If you understood up to here, that's really good. This last step is our change of base rule. So if that didn't make sense, go back and review our change of base